Hi everyone, I am Sunamon. I am a spiritual healer, an intuitive reader, and author, and I'm a big advocate of the paranormal, the supernatural world. And I feel that in this world, we have so many mystical and magical things happening all the time. All we need to do is just tap into source. In my area of work, God is really our strength. And in this video, I want to talk about how I got connected with Tanvi. As an intuitive reader, I get clairvoyance messages by source, by my spirit guides. I'm also an animal lover. I feed 200 plus street animals every day by the grace of God. All the credit goes to Masters and Source for that. And I also have some rescue babies with me. So one of my rescue dog went missing. However, at that point in time, four other dogs went missing. So I got call from a friend of mine who runs a shelter. I got call from my society where one more dog was missing, and my own dog also went away. And I was like, okay, I need to focus right now, and I need to be really in that, that zero state where you connect with source energy. After 30 minutes of meditation, like before that, I was not able to get anything because my own personal pain was so high. Usually I don't get to speak to communicators or other people who are in this field. I'm always given contact of someone, some human being, or I'm shown a place when I'm looking for something or when I'm looking for answers. But that day, surprisingly, in a very interesting way, Tanveer's number came in front of me, Tanveer's name and number. And Tanveer also does not do marketing or PR, just like me. God is bringing us all together. So when I saw Tanveer's contact, I was like, okay, if God wants me to speak with her, then I must speak with her. She and I had like the similar locations in mind, but at that point in time, I really needed someone else to also be a part of whatever I was doing. I needed someone to stand by me. That was the thing, because everybody else was so negative. There was a lot of grief at that time. Keep up the good work, because this is what shows to the world that the mystical powers, the supernatural, the paranormal, most importantly, God, our masters, our spirit guides are always working with us. We may think that this is the samsara, this is the 3D reality, but that's not the case. There's something really wonderful happening out there, and these situations make our faith stronger. The good news is not only my baby came back, but all the other dogs that were missing at that point in time, at the same time, one by one, I found all of them. So thank you, Tanveer, and thank you, Source, thank you, Masters, once again. Thank you all for being a part of this beautiful community. Mwah. Ram Ram, Victory to Ram.